And sure enough, found issues with the voter rolls, found some issues with the data. So my whole issue is going around the state and informing people of the anomalies, and they continue to happen, by the way. And just call for investigations and for our officials to investigate what we found. And so far, we've not had any luck with that. Nobody's had any luck with that. What we get is pushback saying that our elections are fine in spite of the issues that we bring. There's no interest really in trying to discover and address the issues that we all bring up specifically.
What's the matter with an investigation? Now let's really think on this. Why couldn't we investigate? You would think that somebody would say, if they're saying our elections are 100%, then they would be super happy, wonderfully excited about doing an investigation because it would prove them right. Am I wrong?
You were right.